guys, before we start, I just want to remind you that all the information in this video is provided for educational and informational purposes only. This is not financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. I am not encouraging you to sell, buy, or use any assets, services, or platforms. Before taking any action, do your own research and consider the risks. You alone are responsible for your own decisions.
If you've ever asked ChatGPT about the market, you've likely noticed one thing. It gives nice answers, but it doesn't always seem to fully grasp what's really going on. And today, I'm going to show you something that will really surprise you. Get comfortable and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So this is the Dezero platform, and it's specifically tailored for finance in the market. So it's not just an AI that knows everything, but a tool that actually understands the market. Let's check it out in practice. Let's ask the same question. What's your opinion on alt season? On the left, as you can see, is ChatGPT, and on the right is Dezero. As you can see, ChatGPT gives a pretty general answer without specifics, while Dezero starts breaking down market cycles, liquidity, and investor behavior. And this already looks like an analysis, not just text. Now, one of the most important topics is the problem with trading. Here, friends, is a very important point. Most people think the problem with trading is just analysis, but that's not the case. Trading is actually three things: analysis, risk management, and of course, psychology. And most people, friends, only work on the first one. And this is where it gets interesting, because mistakes don't start in the triangle, because our mistakes don't happen in analysis, but of course in emotions, risks, and impulsive decisions. And of course, no human can keep it all perfect, because we, my friends, are not robots. We're human, especially when there's huge volatility in the market. There's a great solution for exactly these kinds of tasks. That's exactly what Dezero was made for. It's not just an AI. It's essentially your second brain that covers where humans fail most often, because it doesn't think with emotions like we often do. A cool-headed approach is always welcome. So what are its features? It helps with risk control, behavioral analysis, and discipline. So it's not just about what to buy, but how you make decisions. But what I really like, friends, is the work with on-chain data. Let's open, for example, Bitcoin Exchange Reserve and just click Ask AI. And the AI immediately explains what's happening, what it means for the market, and what conclusions can be drawn to continue trading. And you don't need to be a super pro analyst. Dezero will take care of that. Simplicity, friends, is the key thing here. You might not understand it deeply, but you'll still get a solid analysis. And this, friends, is only the first stage. They want exchange integration, trade analysis, and full AI trading control. I think many of you are already interested. Right now, the platform is free for early users. All the necessary links are in the description below this video. Go check it out and start using Dezero. If you're into crypto, trading, or follow the market, this is an indispensable tool and a great assistant. Overall, friends, this isn't just an AI anymore. It's a real tool that can empower you in the market. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you haven't yet. You've been watching Crypto Horizon. As always, I'm Nick. See you next time.